how to create folders in Gmail. So if you want to create folders in Gmail, or if you want to direct emails to a particular folder, then what you can do is first open up your browser and then go for gmail.com or open up your Gmail. Once you've opened, now go for the settings of the Gmail, which is on the upper right. And here you can go for see all settings. And under that, here you will have labels. Click on labels, scroll down and go for create new label. And then you need to enter a new label name and then the new label type, like draft, demo, period, or you can simply add another label. So once you've added or once you've entered the information, click on create and then create your label. So for example, I have 3 labels right here. So what you can do is simply go for your inbox section once you've created, and here you can simply select the email and then you can right click on it, and you can simply move that to your label, which is your like your draft, demo, period, or anything, right? So you can also do that by a simple step. You can simply drag that to your label and then leave it. So if you open that, and here you will have that mail under your label. So that's how you can direct emails to a particular folder. Folders and labels are the same thing. So it's quite similar. So that's how you can create your folders, and that's how you can direct your emails to a particular folder. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.